In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to apply for Amazon Flex driver sign up. Let's get in. First, grab your phone and download the Amazon Flex app. It's not on the normal App Store or Play Store in some regions, so head over to flex.amazon.com and follow the instructions to download it. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have one, create it first. Now you'll be asked to check availability in your area. Amazon Flex is not everywhere, so type in your zip code or city to see if they are currently accepting new drivers. If slots are open, you'll move on the sign-up process. This includes entering your personal information, uploading your driver's license, providing vehicle details, bank details for direct deposit. Next, you will go through a background check. This usually takes a few days. Make sure your driving record is clean and you don't have recent major violations. Once approved, you can log into the app, view available delivery blocks, and start accepting Swift. You'll pick up packages from Amazon location and deliver them using your own car. And that's it. That's how you sign up for Amazon Flex driver sign up. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.